Welcome to the divine signs of the universe. Today, we journey to Brazil, the largest country in South America and the fifth largest in the world, covering over 8.5 million square kilometers. Brazil is home to more than 210 million people. Its capital is Brasília, while São Paulo is the largest city, and Rio de Janeiro is the country's most famous destination. Brazil is blessed with incredible natural beauty. The Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, covers much of the country. It is home to millions of species, including jaguars, sloths, monkeys, macaws, pink river dolphins, and giant anacondas. Flowing through this forest is the Amazon River, the world's largest river by water volume. Hundreds of waterfalls create a spectacular display of nature's power and beauty. Brazil's history began with indigenous civilizations that lived here for thousands of years. In 1500, Portuguese explorer Pedro Álvares Cabral arrived, and Portuguese rule lasted for over 3 centuries and has since become one of the world's largest democracies. Brazilian culture is a unique blend of indigenous, samba dancers, and magnificent parades. Brazil is also known as the home of football. It has won the FIFA World Cup 5 times, more than any other nation. Legends such as Pelé, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Kaká, and Neymar have made Brazil a symbol of football excellence. Brazil has one of the world's largest economies. It is a leading producer of coffee, soybeans, sugar, beef, and oranges. The country is also rich in natural resources and produces much of its electricity through clean hydroelectric power. One of Brazil's most famous landmarks is Christ the Redeemer, standing high above Rio de Janeiro. It is one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a symbol of peace and hope. Despite its beauty and success, Brazil continues working to protect the Amazon rainforests and its extraordinary wildlife for future generations. From the mighty Amazon to the vibrant streets of Rio, Brazil is a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, colorful culture, and warm, welcoming people. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Divine Signs of the Universe for more amazing documentaries from around the world.